Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x to the power 18 plus 1 over x to the power 18 where x plus 1 over x is equal to negative 1. We have given x plus 1 over x is equal to negative 1, or multiplying both side by x, we can write x times x is x square plus 1 over x times x is 1 is equal to negative 1 times x is negative x. Or taking this negative x to left side, we can write x square plus this x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or multiplying both side by x minus 1, we can write x minus 1 times this x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or x minus 1 times x square plus x times 1, this is x, plus 1 can be written as 1 square is equal to 0. Or this is as like as a formula of a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square is equal to a cube minus b cube. Applying this formula, we can write it as x cube minus 1 cube is equal to 0. Or x cube minus 1 cube is 1 is equal to 0. So taking this negative 1 to right side, we will get x cube is equal to 1. Now x to the power 18 plus 1 over x to the power 18 is equal to, x to the power 18 can be written as x cube whole to the power 6 plus 1 over this x to the power 18 is x cube whole to the power 6 is equal to, substituting the value of x cube is 1, we can write 1 to the power 6 plus 1 over x cube is 1 to the power 6 is equal to 1 to the power 6 is 1 plus 1 over 1 to the power 6 is 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 over 1 is 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the value of x to the power 18 plus 1 over x to the power 18. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.